Hello friends. In today's option trading plan for 23rd expiry, 23rd September expiry, we will first discuss about what happened with the 16th expiry plan, 16 September expiry plan. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कि हमारा जो स्टॉप लॉस था वो कल ही हिट हो गया था ऑन वेडनेसडे। जैसे कि क्लोजिंग यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगी 17519 है एंड हमने 17500 का कॉल शॉर्ट किया था। सो बाय क्लोजिंग निफ्टी वाज ट्रेडिंग अपॉन 17500 एंड हमने पोजीशन क्लोज कर दिया था। एंड फॉर्चुनेटली कल जैसे वेडनेसडे था तो मोस्टली जो भी प्रीमियम डीके था वो हो चुका था एंड ज्यादा प्रीमियम राइज भी नहीं हुआ था। सो बेसिकली वी एग्जिटेड आवर पोजीशन with a profit of around 500 rupees, although we have our stop loss got hit. So this is the benefit of doing option selling, जिसमें you get theta benefit as well. And जैसे कि we approach towards expiry, वैसे there is premiums goes down, premiums गलते हैं इन options जैसे कि हम एक्सपायरी के पास जाते हैं एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच हमारा स्टॉप लॉस भी अगर हिट होगा तो स्टिल वी कैन अर्न डिसेंट प्रॉफिट एज वेल। जैसे कि हमने ये वीक के एक्सपायरी प्लान में देखा था एंड around 500 rupees profit on 45k margin, which is around 1% return on the capital that we have deployed, which is also good in a like 1% return in a week is also decent return as well. So this is about the last week, like the 16th September expiry status. And before starting with the next week expiry, मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ स्टॉक्स के वीडियो अपलोड किए जैसे FCL है जो कि आई हैव अपलोडेड ऑन संडे एंड आफ्टर दैट particular like after Sunday यानी कि Monday से the stock had rallied around 28% in just 4 days. So mostly I try to share the stocks that are like trading near support or are giving breakout और जहाँ पे रिस्क रिवॉर्ड अच्छा हो. सो बेसिकली आई जस्ट टारगेट दो स्टॉक एंड आई ट्राई टू शेयर दो स्टॉक एट राइट टाइम, नॉट सो क्रिएट मतलब रैंडम वीडियोस बना के भी कुछ मतलब नहीं है. सो I will be continue to share this all this techno funda analysis video when the setup is proper and is good in all but in the stock itself. So I will be keeping watch on all the stocks and I will keep on sharing the videos regularly. Apart from this, I'm sharing some setups as well, trading setup as well on Twitter, so you can check that out as well. So let's start with the 23rd September expiry plan. एंड जैसे कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो कि अभी निफ्टी तो ऐसा अनचार्टेड टेरिटरी में, देयर इज नो रेजिस्टेंस अबाउ, पूरा ऊपर खाली है एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वन साइडेड अप मूव नीचे के साइड भी देयर इज नो सपोर्ट एज सच. So what we can do right now is like we can short around 250 to 100 points away options in this case. So अगर हम 200 points away की बात करें यहाँ पे, so it will be around 17,630 is the price, current price, and 200 point away means 17,830, 850. This will be 200 above points option, and on the downside it will be 17,400. So this will be 200 points below option. As Nifty is trading in uncharted territory, so we can't like find out support or resistance. But one major support can be this particular consolidation, the level high. So this was a consolidation in Nifty for the last for the like 5 to 6 days. And यहाँ पे जैसे consolidate किया था तो यहाँ पे एक resistance था Nifty को, which is around 17,437. And the resistance can be support for Nifty as well, and it is exactly 200 points below the current price. So this can be the support level that we can track out for our trade. And so the levels we have got already, which is 17,836 and 17,850 and 17,450, just rounding it off to nearest 50 levels. So we will be shorting calls above 17,850. And on the downside, we will be shorting puts below 17,450. So two strikes जहाँ पे हम अपनी position बनाए. And also apart from this two strikes, हम अपनी position hedge भी करते हैं by buying 200 points up. इसमें हम 17,850 plus 200 यानी कि 18,050 का call option buy करेंगे. And also on the downside 17,450 minus 200, which is 17,250 का option हम buy करेंगे to hedge our position. So basically अगर कुछ extreme move भी अगर आता है, so we are our position is hedged and हमारा जो risk रहेगा वो unlimited नहीं रहेगा, वो limited रहेगा. We will be having only limited loss in that case. the benefit of hedging, and जो हमारा stop loss रहेगा, it will be if Nifty closes above 17,850 or if Nifty closes below 17,450, then we will close our position by the day's end, by the day मतलब market जैसे close होगा उसी time. So on the closing basis, we will like track the market Nifty at 325, and if that particular level is above 17,850 or below 17,450, then we will close entire position. So these are the stop loss and exit plan. And apart from this, if Nifty will close our so this is about the strikes discussion on the basis of the price action. And अभी हम strikes ये सब strike पे हम premiums भी देखेंगे. So the strike that we have discussed is 17,850. 23rd September expiry 17,850 and 17,450 put. And on the upside there will be 18,850 call option, and on the downside it will be 17,250 put option. So this is the strike, and ये हमारे options है, and on the right hand side यहाँ पे premiums भी है options में. And currently the major benefit that we are getting is the increase in VIX. यहाँ पे VIX around 4.6% ऊपर है, and because of which हमें जो premiums है वो ज़्यादा मिल रहे हैं in the options as well. So this is one of the major benefit of like writing option जहाँ पे VIX high आज ऊपर है, and also we are getting decent premiums in option as well. So let's start with the payoff for the position. 23rd September and 17,850 call. And 17,450 put. Right. September expiry, and यहाँ पे अगर हम ऐसे पे ऑफ देके एंड is around 4,100 मार्जिन देगा इसके around 1.25 lakhs. So अभी इसको हम hedge करेंगे पोजीशन को, and you will see कि क्या पे ऑफ रहता है इसको. And 18,050 call option. So this is the updated payoff, and हमने यहाँ पे hedge की positions भी update कर दी है. And currently the maximum profit is around 2,400, which is 5.4% of the margin that we are paying, which is 45,000, around 45,000. And हमारा जो maximum risk है और maximum loss that we can incur is around 7,600 in this position. So यहाँ पे हमारे unlimited risk नहीं, हमारा risk defined है basically. Probability payoff. Share it with in the description section of this book. So do check this out as well, and you can track the position during market hours as well. So the payoff chart, and also we have updated, we have shown the strike and also the why we are shorting this particular option with the proper exit plan. So हमने सब discuss कर लिया in this video, and if you have learned anything from this video, then आप इस वीडियो को like and share भी कर सकते हैं with your friends who are new to the market, and उनको भी अगर सीखना रहेगा तो they can view or watch some videos, learning videos from this channel. Apart from this, यहाँ पे you can follow us on Twitter as well, where I'm regularly updating about the market update. जैसे कि कल हमने update किया था about stay cautious in ZIL, and particularly the ZIL ने high बनाया 300 rupees का, and after that it had almost crashed, and it is currently trading at 250. So basically some of the updates, important updates, market update I give on Twitter, and यहाँ पे आप हमें follow भी कर सकते हैं on Twitter. And apart from this, this is the Twitter ID link, and this is a Telegram channel that we have where we are sharing the same updates as well. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.